Previously on Losing It, the wait is over.
Good. Good, Carissa. Same way, yeah. Whoops, careful.
Right? Because to hold him the punch. Carissa! Running like goal in field one. When I missed the goal, actually, yeah, it was a low moment for me, but, you know, it's just one of them days. I think, you know, my youthful exuberance got the better of me. So, I kick away the ball, but part of life. Play football too. And then something about a big goal, they always put me in, so and the amount of goal score from me, I must know if I score one.
Blue team is back on top. I sprint with Stacey. Like, before I start the race, I have it in mind, say, not at all him not beat me.
Oh, when I see Brittany take a mess, alright, Brittany, we have this. Let me just stay someone some deal lift me. I said, no, sir. Brittany said, Stacey! She said, where are you?
I don't know if I start off bad, but when we come down to the last part now, I look for my right and I say, Stacey, I say, no, Big Pop, come.
Big Pop, come. Big Pop, come. Come, Big Pop. Let Brittany want me run out to meet her. Yeah, that's why I make Stacey the fully pass, but trust me, she try her best.
Our football stars are off to another challenge today. What do we have up our sleeve? And what happened at the weigh-in? I'm Talia Soares, and Losing It, the wait is over starts now.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger, more than ever, hour after hour. Work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger, more than ever, hour after hour. Work is never over. Work is never over. Work is never over.
This week, the contestants get into carnival mode and they take to the road for something brand new. But first, we find out how they've been doing.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I was in the gym a lot this week because I have a aim. I was aiming for 10 pounds. The thing is that my last weight loss, I think I lost 5 pounds. I said, okay, I'm going to try to double it this week. So I said, okay, I'm going to go a bit harder.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I don't usually come to the gym on Thursdays, but I did. So I competed the entire week for gym.
7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And 1. All right.
I came to the gym 3 times this week. First ever, 3 times. It's been pretty good. I really wanted to push myself. Master Brian was saying that I need to go all out this week. So yeah, he was the one that really motivated me to come this week 3 times.
Breathe. Breathing.
What I'm thinking though is that I didn't get enough rest because I'm saying, well, I want to push for this week to lose as much weight as possible. I still need to put in my mind that I need to rest.
Very good.
My team members, I think they have got it together this week. I'm extremely proud of them because they represented every single day. They worked hard, we did a lot of work, and so I'm happy about that.
Okay guys, ready to work. This week we push a little bit harder. We do a lot of weights this week.
I lift like what you call it, something where you draw down again. There's something there where you draw down with the whole heap of weights them. Yes, and there's something here. What you do, you know there's something there. Yes, and there's something here. And there's something there, and there's something there. Yeah, we lift them every something there.
Working out this week was pretty good.
Chest out, right down, and up.
My attendance was really awesome, and the intensity of my workouts. My trainer and I, we worked on different parts of the body, mostly the glutes and cardio.
Always the last week been for me. That's a good, very good.
It's not just about getting fit alone or losing the weight, it's gaining muscle. You know, because when you gain muscle, you burn fat actually quicker.
Changes where my body is concerned, I'm a bit more fitter and I can actually run distances, not just on the treadmill, but outside. So I see improvement.
Me I go for the thickness and the something like Chevron or Master Brand, them the kind of body there. You see me I say? Yeah, people know body me I look out for.
Okay team, today we're gonna be doing a cardio circuit. We're gonna go up and down the stairs, come into the grassy area here and give me 20 jumping jacks. Then you go over to the bench and give me 30 mountain climbers. That's right and left. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
You have a choice.
They did their best this week, working out, trying to work out at home, and the few days that they got in, and they just tried to eat as proper as possible.
Gym this week was excellent. I can say from I've been doing losing it, this is could be my most active week in the gym.
I just came to the gym twice this week, Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday, the vehicle that I normally use to come to the gym had an accident, and that kept up my time, so I just changed my mind and I didn't come. On Thursday, I'd already told my trainer I wouldn't come because we had a debate finals. And yesterday, I was on the road for work a lot, and I came back late, and I just said I would go home and try to do some workout.
I dieted good, great, actually never cheated. I actually ate on time, right amount. And I exercise. I didn't come gym every day, but I worked out at home. I started jogging again because I've lost a lot of weight, so jogging don't put a lot of burden on my joints, so I can start jogging now. So it has been excellent.
5, 6,
Sandy, I'm going further than that,
7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I am feeling very good about myself in terms of I can see changes in my body. My eating style have changed, and I'm dedicating myself to this. So I'm feeling very, very good about myself.
When we get back, the contestants walk up and wind down. Get your workout gear on. Losing It will be right back after this.